Hello. The following steps are the steps that will be taken to successfully subscribe and set up RStudio server on Microsoft Azure. The first step of the process will be to open Azure Marketplace and find the RStudio server. Once selected, click on the Get Now button on the top left of the page. On the Create this app in Azure tab, select a software plan, then click Continue. Select the Create button. On the following step, you will be prompted to create a virtual machine. Now, configure the virtual machine. Create a new resource group and name it RStudio. Afterwards, configure instances details with virtual machine names and select the appropriate region. Select the virtual machine size for creation and customize according to your needs later. Make sure your authentication type is SSH public key. Create username and SSH pair that you will be able to log into later. Select Next on the bottom left of the page. Next again. Select the box that says Delete Public IP and NIC when VM is deleted. Then click Next. Click Next. Click Next again. And Next once more. Click Review and Create. Verify that the validation has been passed and create. Download the private key and create the resource. Select Go to Resource and go to Newly Created Machine. Once in the RStudio server virtual machine, you can find the public IP address used to access the RStudio server. Click on JSON View for the password on the top right. The last 12 digits of the virtual machine ID is the password of the RStudio server. Open up a new browser and paste the public IP address. Type username ruser, and for the password, type the last 12 digits of the virtual machine ID. Congratulations, you have now successfully logged into RStudio. To change the virtual machine capacity, go back to the virtual machine overview, and on the mid-bottom right, select Size. Once the changes have been made, on the bottom of the page, select Resize. To delete the virtual machine, it is recommended to use the associated resource group. To fully remove all resources linked to RStudio server, navigate to Resource Groups and select RStudio, which is the name of the resource group used during the deployment of RStudio server. Thank you for subscribing.